Peanut butter isn't just a pantry staple, it's a delicious blend of science and tradition. Ever wonder how peanut butter gets its smooth texture and rich flavor? Stay till the end to discover the secrets inside the world's largest peanut butter production line, where raw ground nuts transform into creamery, organic peanut butter. From precise shelling and roasting process to high-tech grinding and packaging stages, witness the meticulous method ensuring the highest quality product. Peanuts, considered a healthy fat, are pantry staple enjoyed as snack, either raw or roasted. Rich in monosaturated fats, copper, manganese and vitamin B3, peanuts are often mistaken for nuts, but are actually legumes related to peas and beans. Unlike most nuts that grow on trees, peanuts grow underground. The journey of peanuts from the farm to the factory begins with specially grown and treated seeds from the previous year's crop. These seeds are planted about 2 inches deep, spaced 3 to 4 inches apart, in rows about 3 feet apart. The planting happens after the last frost in April, when the soil reaches 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. In about 2 weeks, the first square of 4 leaflets appear above the ground. 30 to 40 days after emergence, the plants bloom and pegs from entering the soil, where the peanut hulls and kernel develops over the next 60 to 70 days, depending on the variety. 120 to 160 frost-free days are required for a good crop. When the peanuts are ready to be harvested, farmers wait for the right soil conditions, not too wet or too dry. Using a digger, they dive up and down the rows of peanut butters. The digger's long blades run 4 to 6 inches underground, loosening the plant and cutting the taproot. Just behind the blade, a shaker lifts the plant from the soil, gently shakes the dirt from the peanuts, rotates the plant, and lays it back down in a windrow with peanuts up. Freshly dug peanuts contain 25 to 50% moisture and must be dried to 10% or less for storage. They are left in the windrows to dry for 2 or more days. After partial drying, the farmers drives the combine over the windrows. The combine lifts the plants, separates the peanuts from the vine, blows them into a hopper on top of a machine, and lays the vine back down in the field. The peanuts are then damped into wagons and further dried to 10% moisture with warm air forced through the wagon floors. Once the peanuts are dried, they are purchased either shelled or processed in shell before being placed in cold storage, ensuring that only the best quality peanuts proceed to the production line. Did you know that even the smallest rock can ruin an entire batch of peanut butter? At the factory, the peanuts undergo a rigorous cleaning and sorting process to remove any debris like rock, twigs, or dirt packed up during harvesting. First, they're pounded into a hopper and moved on to a conveyor belt that takes them through a series of screens to remove the large objects. An airstream then blows away any remaining dust or small particles. The clean peanuts are sorted by size and quality using machines that employ sieves, gravity, and air current, ensuring only the best peanuts move forward. Next is the crucial shelling process. Peanuts enter a shelling machine, where they are shelled by the rotating force of suspension sleeve and the rubbing force of concave plate, separating the shells and kernels. The separated kernels and shell fall through the concave, and an air duct blows the shells out of the machine, achieving primary separation. The kernels and any unshelled peanuts fall into specific gravity-separate sieve. The kernels exit through the sieve and are collected, while unshelled peanuts are sent back to secondary shelling. This shelling and separation process cycles until all peanuts are fully shelled. The peanut shelling machine significantly improves shelling efficiency, prevents peanuts from falling off, and enhances overall work productivity. Once shelled, the peanuts proceed to roasting, where their flavors are developed and excess moisture is removed, preparing them for the next step in creating delicious peanut butter. The roasting process typically involves heating the peanut butters at a high temperature for several minutes. This can be done using various methods such as hot air roasting, oil roasting, infrared roasting. Each roasting method has its own unique advantages and disadvantages, but all are designed to achieve the same goal: to roast the peanut butter evenly and bring their full flavor. During the roasting process, the peanuts are constantly monitored to ensure they're heated evenly and do not burn. The peanuts may also be stirred or tumbled to prevent them from sticking together or clumping. The degree of roasting can vary depending on the desired flavor and aroma. Lightly roasted peanuts have a milder flavor, while more heavily roasted peanuts have a deeper, nuttier flavor. Some manufacturers also add flavors such as salt or sugar during the roasting process to enhance the taste of the peanuts. Once the peanuts have been roasted and cooled, they are ready to be ground into peanut butter. Grinding transforms the peanuts into a smooth and creamy consistency, ready for mixing and packaging. The grinding process typically involves using a machine called a grinder, which uses high-speed blades to crush the peanuts into a paste. The peanuts are fed into the grinder in batch, and the blades gradually break down the peanuts until they reach the desired consistency. The grinding process can take anywhere from several minutes to several hours, depending on the type of grinder used and desired consistency of the peanut butter. Some manufacturers use more than one grinder to achieve a smoother texture, while others prefer a slightly chunkier consistency. During the grinding process, the peanuts are consistently monitored to ensure they are ground evenly and do not overheat. Overheating can cause the oils in the peanuts to separate, affecting the texture and taste of the peanut butter. Once the peanut butter have been ground into a smooth paste, they're ready to be mixed with the ingredients such as salt, sugar, and stabilizers. These ingredients help improve the flavor, texture, and shelf life of the peanut butter. The exact ingredients and their ratios can vary depending on the brand and type of peanut butter. Mixing can be done using a variety of methods, such as mixing tanks or high-speed blenders, and it is essential to ensure that the ingredients are evenly distributed through the peanut butter. Once the peanut butter has been mixed, it's ready to be packaged. Packaging is done using a machine that fills and seals jars or containers. Labels are also applied to the jars, which include important information such as nutritional information, allergen warnings, and expirational dates. Quality control is a critical component of mixing and packaging process. Manufacturers must ensure that each jar of peanut butter is free from contaminants and allergens, and that the peanut butter meets safety and quality standards. Any issue or deviation from the standards must be quickly addressed to prevent contamination or other safety concern. But what makes peanut butter not just a delicious treat, but a national powerhouse and versatile ingredient? Stay tuned to find out. The physical properties of peanut butter, particularly its viscoelastic nature, are fascinating. It exhibits both solid and fluid behavior, which contributes to its spreadable texture. This characteristic can be studied through rheology, which examines the flow and deformation of matter. Understanding the rheology of peanut butters helps manufacturers refine its texture, consistency, and mouthfeel, ensuring it's both delicious and easy to use. Peanut butter is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrition. In a 100-gram serving, smooth peanut butter provides 596 calories and composed of 51% fat and 22% protein, 22% carbohydrates, and 1% water. It's a rich source of dietary fiber, vitamin E, pantothenic acid, folate, niacin, and vitamin B6. Additionally, it's high in minerals such as manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, copper, and sodium added during manufacturing. This nutritional profile makes peanut butter a powerhouse food. The fats in peanut butter are primarily monosaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. The protein content makes it an excellent source of energy, especially for those leading an active lifestyle. Vitamins and minerals in peanut butter support various body functions, from bone health to immune function. However, it's essential to note that peanut butter can pose risks for individuals with peanut allergies. Allergic reactions to peanut can range from mild symptoms like itching and digestive issues to severe and life-threatening reactions such as anaphylaxis. This has led to peanut butter being banned in some schools to protect allergic children. Peanut butter's versatility makes it a popular ingredient in many recipes. It's a staple in classic dishes like peanut butter and jelly sandwich, cookies, and candies. Its flavor pairs well with oatmeal, cheese, and various breads and crackers. It also complements sweet ingredients like fruit preserved and bananas, apples, and honey. A fun and healthy snack for kids is ants on a log, which consists of celery sticks filled with peanut butter and topped with raisins. Peanut butter also plays a vital role in humanitarian efforts. Plumpy nut, a peanut butter-based food, is used to combat malnutrition in famine-stricken areas. Each pack contains 500 calories, can be stored unrefrigerated for 2 years, and requires no cooking or preparation, making it an ideal emergency food source. Additionally, peanut butter is used as a treat for animals. It can be stuffed inside chew toys to make dog entertain or used to coat pine cones for bird feeders. Its soft and spreadable texture is both enjoyable and practical for various uses. Peanut butter's journey from farm to jar is a complex and meticulous process. From harvesting and shelling to roasting, grinding, mixing, and packaging, every step ensures the final product is the highest quality. Its nutritional benefits, versatility in recipes, and uses in both human and animal food makes it a staple in many households. Thank you for joining us in this behind-the-scenes tour of Mega Peanut Butter Factory. We hope you find it fascinating as we did. Comment with your thoughts and share this video with your friends.